Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Chris from Tech and Tesla. I want to show you what just arrived in the mail the other day. This is it, the Tesla wall connector. I want to do an unboxing with you guys. But first, this is how the box comes in the mail. So you want to make sure that somebody's home to take it in right away, because this looks like a high ticket item, which it is, and it's left at your front door, no signature required. It only comes in white now. This is the Generation 3. Tempered glass on the front. Thank you for accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. Very nicely packaged. This thing is gorgeous. I got the 18-foot cable, so the cable comes in either 8.5 feet or 18 feet. I went for the longer one because it's the same price, and why not? Why not have that flexibility? Beautiful. Taking this out of the box. We're left with mounting template. You can have the wires come in from the top, from the bottom, or from the back. So you have your three diagrams here. And you just have to kind of come in and loop around. Now, if you're coming in from the top, it can only be 3/4 inch conduit. All the other ones can be expanded up to 1 inch. So it comes with these other accessories, but I don't see them. Unless they're in here. Aha. That's pretty neat. There you go. You got the mounts for the wall. You have zip ties, because when you come in and loop it around, you zip tie it to that spot right there. All right. So that's it. Relatively simple unboxing. Beautiful product. I look forward to installing it, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. Until next time, take care.